birthday greetings from South Korea. Although we can't spend this day together like we normally do, I hope you have the best birthday ever. Happy birthday, Mom. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita. Thank you for letting us crash here so late. We're praying for you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita. God bless po.
Happy birthday, Auntie Sally. Wishing you a wonderful birthday.
Hi, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally! Flowers for you!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally!
Kiss.
Happy birthday, Tita Sally!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ninang Sally. We wish you good health and just that all your wishes come true. Enjoy your day! For you!
Happy birthday, Tita Sally! I wish you have more birthdays to come.
Enjoy your day po. Flowers for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Bess. We love you.
Hello, Sally. Happy birthday. I wish more birthday to come. Enjoy your moment. Here's the flower for you.
Hi, Ate Sally. Happy birthday po. Ito po yung flowers para sa inyo po.
Hi, happy birthday. Sana more birthday to come.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye. Para sa'yo.
Hi, Sally. Happy birthday. I wish you good health, joy, and happiness on your birthday. The Lord is good in His love, never end. Happy birthday.
With the special wishes on your birthday and every day that you are blessed with happiness. Happy birthday.
Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday, Sally.
Hello. Happy birthday, my dear gorgeous sister Sally.
Happy birthday, sis. God bless.
Happy birthday to you, and here's flowers for you. Bye.
Hi, Sister Sally. I didn't know it's your birthday. I thought it's my birthday. Anyways, happy birthday to you and wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday, Sister Sally. May the Lord continue to bless you more and more blessings to come. Happy birthday!
Hello, Sister Sally.
Hi, Sister Sally.
Happy birthday.
May God bless you always. And since you are a very special girl, this one is for you.
Our gift for you.
Hi, Maring, Sally, Dinah, and Ruel here. We just want to say happy birthday to you. Just want to let you know that even though we don't see each other often, you know that we're here for you always. You can always count on us. We are family, of course.
Yes.
You know that we love you. Sorry that the kids couldn't be here. Like, they're all like working. But anyways, we just want to say happy birthday. You deserve all the good things in life. So wishing you many more birthdays to come. Happy 55th birthday, Mare. God bless.
Happy birthday
Happy
again.
birthday.
Here you go.
And it's for you.
Hi, Sister Sally.
Good morning, Sister Sally.
Today, we praise and thank God for adding another year to your life. And we also thank you for giving you a good family. May He continues to shower you with more blessings, most especially good health. So thank you, Sally, for your friendship and your love and kindness to us, especially the seniors. And may you enjoy your day of celebration. I just want to offer you these flowers for your birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sister Sally. Enjoy your special day. God bless. Happy birthday, Sister Sally. Happy birthday to our beautiful Dilamang Kumare and also our beautiful dancer, Sister Sally. And we have a gift for you, Sister Sally. Accept this gift from Faye. A very beautiful rose. And from me, very special, a very beautiful bag of flower for you. Make me the best and sweetest birthday cake, Sister Sally. And again, we wish you the best of all blessings of good health, joy, and happiness to you. Again, Sister Sally, happy birthday, Sister Sally. And from our Apo, from Peanut, happy birthday. Wow, ow, 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 ow. Goodbye.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Ninang Sally. Happy birthday, dear Ninang Sally. Happy birthday to you. One more time. Happy birthday, dear Ninang Sally. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Happy birthday!